This weekend, we visited with homeowners affected by the Palisades Fire, sharing how the perfect block can help them rebuild stronger, safer, and more resilient against future disasters. We brought samples, answered questions, and had meaningful conversations about fire-resistant construction and how ICCFs provide a long-term solution for communities facing wildfire threats. Rebuilding isn't just about structures, it's about security, sustainability, and peace of mind. If you or someone you know has been impacted and is looking for a better way to rebuild, send us a message. Our email is info@theperfectblock.com, or you could give us a call at 888-623-4223. And our website is theperfectblock.com.